Alright friends, subscribers, internet strangers, what's up? Okay, do not adjust your TV screens, computers, whatever. You are not watching the Rise and Grind Picker. This is what can a bearded picker do at the Dollar Tree. Alright. They're coming right up. You can use super glue in your business, but also this super glue makes money. Here comes the picture. Dog treats. Dog treats. So what happens when the dogs, they need to go pee and potty? You make money on these. The sales rank's not tremendous, but for $1 you make $1.82. Here comes the picture. All right, so you just wander up and down the aisle. For the most of you, you can avoid this whole aisle unless you want to do merchant fulfilled. If you want to do merchant fulfilled, scan away. I know there is some money in bounce on these gains. I haven't scanned them yet. We come around here. This one. Here's your lights. Here comes the picture. Look at the lights. This is the bearded picker teaching you how to make money at the Dollar Tree. I didn't scan any of the pins because they're all brand. If you really want to make money at the Dollar Tree, spring is coming up. I scanned a couple of these. There's money in all of these. Look at all the different kinds. They're $1 each. American seed. I'll scan a couple of them. Here come the pictures. It's freaking amazing. It's like taking candy from a baby. Avoid the party supplies, because there's a couple of these party supply makers are very aggressive in chasing after you on Amazon. Any of them that say Greenbrier, you're okay. That's Greenbrier is Dollar Tree's brand, but if they happen to say Unique on the back of them, Unique brands, Unique will come after you. So stay away from anything that says Unique. Greenbrier, you're good. Greenbrier, that's their, if you didn't know, that Greenbrier is their generic name. And there used to be money in some of the ribbons, certain colors of these ribbons. The gold one's very hard to find. The green ones, there's some money in those. I haven't scanned them yet, but I just wanted to tell you what I know. All right. And yes, there are actually people in my Dollar Tree, unlike Shane's. They clear out the entire shop. They clear out the entire Dollar Tree just so Shane can make a video. He is that important. So yeah, I just walk around with people on my way because they look at me and think, damn, is that the bearded picker? Hell yes, the bearded picker. All right, well, I hope you guys enjoyed the store tour there of the Dollar Tree in Hazel Green, Alabama. And all the commentary provided by yours truly. Yeah, the deep recesses of my mind are a scary, scary place. Oh, just think about all the comedy thoughts I don't let out. Sometimes it gives me a migraine. All right, so let's. I didn't get these in any kind of order, but I've done the numbers, so I'm looking at the spreadsheet behind the camera here. So if it looks like I'm looking above or whatever, I've got the numbers there, and then as I put the numbers out, I'll show the Amazon app page. So the super glue. The 2-pack of super glue was 21,000 rank in office. It sells for $5.42 the current buy box. So your profit on that would be 93 cents. I know it doesn't sound like a fortune, but that's an 86% ROI. Look how little they are. Look how small your investment is. 21,000 office is top 10%. So all these items are top 10%. A couple of them are better than others. All right, the dog pads, they make $2.75, which is a 254% return on investment ROI. So they are the rank is a touch high. It's 173,000 in pet products. It's a little higher than I like. But I just wanted to show you there are generally items. You know, do you need to make $2.75 on pet pads, or evaluate listings? Understand that, you know, maybe if you lowered $1 and accept making $1.75, which is about 150% ROI, you know, it's still not bad. You can buy these things at every Dollar Tree, and you sell a bunch of them. You lower the rate because it becomes more reasonable. You know, when items are reusable like that, there becomes a price point where even just $1, 50 cents, 75 cents, where people go, that might be too much. So, you know, you got to find that. You've got to find that point. And a lot of these Dollar Tree products are going to be like that. You know, find that you know, $7, $8 price, which people will spend without really thinking too much about it, where you can send in and sell a bunch of them, and you know that you'll compound the profit, just continue to add and continue to add, and then reinvest. All right, what's up next? The Cars Nightlight is at $35,000 in baby. Just be careful with baby. There are some restrictions in baby. I'm not restricted on any of these, so as you can see in the app, as I do each one, I'll put that. If I can figure out picture in picture while I'm doing this, I'll do it. If not, you'll see the cuts in. So the Cars Nightlight sells for $6.75. That is a profit of $1.47, and that ROI is 136%. So that's a good ROI. The Peppa Pig Nightlight is $120,000. It's a home improvement. It's the only one not in baby. I don't know why. $8.55 is what it sells for. That's $2.99 profit on a $1 item. How about 276% ROI? They only had a couple of them, but like I was saying earlier, there's 8, 9, 10 Dollar Trees. A lot of them have these similar things. I've seen these nightlights for quite a while. Remember, Dollar Tree is not only they're discounted brands and a lot of just stuff that's made for them. They actually do closeout deals and that kind of stuff. So some of these things are a one-time only. Some of these things, they have seasonal stuff. With the American Seed, we'll see in a minute. So there's just a wide variety of things, and I scan things without making bundles. You know, if your mind can think of putting things together that are like, you can really do well at Dollar Tree. So the Frozen Nightlights, $31,000 in baby. I sells for $6.49. It's a $1.23 profit. It's 113% ROI. The Disney Princess Nightlight, this is the weakest of the group. It's $73,000 in baby. $5.85 what it sells for. It's a 69-cent profit, but it's still 63.8% profit. So, I mean ROI, I'm sorry. 63.8% ROI. So it's still a decent return. Remember, you're on nothing risk with $1. It's Disney, so check your gatings on that. An LED candle, the emergency candles, they used to carry a lot of emergency candles. I saw a couple packs in there, and they did well back in the day. They had like a 7-pack, I think, that was the hard one to find. It was the best of the group. But the rank on this one is $1,194,000 in home improvements. And you think, Dirty Picker, what are you thinking? Home improvements is one of the larger categories. I can't tell you exactly the number in it because it's not in my head, but look at the picture. You'll see, or actually, I'll look it up here in just a second. It sells for $6.94. That's a $1.64 profit. 51.85% ROI, and there are only 2 sellers. That contributes to the rank a little bit. You know, maybe sell it for $6.50 and settle for making, you know, $1.25 on $1 and sell a bunch of them because you'll lower that rank. But that's a huge category. And last but not least is the American Seed. They had quite a few varieties of these, as you saw in the earlier portions of the video. There were different plants to grow. There were some hummingbird varieties and all kinds of stuff. This stuff has just come out, so you know, the Ricky Bobby School of Reselling says if you ain't first, you're last. So this puts you first or some of the first, because there's only 2 sellers on this particular one I looked up. It's 271,000 lawn and garden. That's still under 10%. That's still a good rank. It sells for $8.99 on your dollar investment. So $3.52 profit, 325% ROI. So if I can go out to Dollar Tree, you know, I was there maybe 20 minutes. I needed some of the little packs to put in my bottles of water because water's not cutting it right now. I think I mentioned that already. If I say it more than once, it's probably bothering me. I hate that. So, you know, I walked around and looked. I didn't buy any of these items. As you know, my current situation, I have a van full of stuff. I have a counter full of stuff. I have 6 boxes on the floor. I have 2 more over on that side. I just have so much stuff right now. But I have a spreadsheet right here of all these items that I scanned, and I put them right here. So once I finally get caught up, you know, maybe Wednesday after chemo, you know, while Johnny's resting, I can sneak to a few Dollar Trees, and you know, I'll give you something to do Thursday after we get done with her doctor's appointment Thursday. But if you have a limited budget, that's not an excuse not to do Amazon FBA. It just means you start with lower priced items. You can find smart items that will sell. All the same rules apply with, you know, stay under 10%, so they'll move faster. You won't pay fees. Look to see why they might be higher. You know, that all these items have a low number of sellers. You can find them at Dollar Trees. Dollar Trees are everywhere. It's one of the fastest growing stores in the country. You know, it seems like they're like what were the little things, little creatures that in the 80s you added water to them and they multiplied. That's what Dollar Trees are. Dollar Trees, Dollar Generals. Oh my God, they're everywhere. But I just wanted to show you that you can do this. You can build up enough capital by, if you watch my Tuesday and Thursday morning shows, you meet my buddy John Chartier. Good friend, smart guy. He built a ton of his business on Dollar Tree and still sells some Dollar Tree bundles. He sold $3 million last year on Amazon, and he started by selling Dollar Tree stuff. He bought so much Dollar Tree stuff that half of their trucks that would come in each week was for him. You can order stuff by the case from Dollar Tree on Dollar Tree online, and pick the store you want to go to, and they ship it free of charge. So you know you're getting all the hysteria about RA's going away. You're not going to be able to buy this stuff. Dollar Tree said, buy it by the case. We don't care. We're here to sell stuff. So it can be done. And so I just want to encourage you to expand your mind and continue watching my new fun series, Bearded Picker Investigates. As I sign off now from Bearded Picker Worldwide Headquarters here in Meridianville, Alabama, wishing you a great night, great week. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. And as always, roll Tide.